Hello everybody, Lurgs here, welcome to my channel, and today it's what to do if your Ottoman bed won't close after assembly, or your storage bed is stuck and it just won't close down. Hopefully this is a nice simple fix. This is the Ottoman storage bed here, and I'm just going to lift it up because it's on hydraulics. So you just gently lift up the base so that raises nice and easily. Now maybe you've removed the mattress to give it a good clean, or you're just disassembling the whole Ottoman bed because you're moving properties and you're trying to pull the bed down and it just won't go down. It just feels like you're going to break those hydraulics. So I'm trying to put it down here and just nothing is happening. Now the really simple fix for this is you need to put the mattress back on the bed. The weight of this mattress pushes down on the hydraulics and makes it much easier just to lower it. So with the mattress on and all that weight, you can just push it down and it goes down with ease. If it still doesn't go down, obviously you may have a problem with your actual hydraulics, the gas struts. They may actually be broken. But hopefully that's a nice simple fix. Make sure you leave that strap out just so that the next time you raise it, it's nice and easy. After that, I'm going to treat myself to a lovely cup of tea. I hope that was useful whilst I walk through this green and pleasant land. In the top right, there's a video on how to keep your curtains super smooth on the curtain rails. That is a top tip. In the top left, how to defrost your freezer easily. And in the bottom left, how to clean your UPVC guttering so it stays clean. Enjoy your bed and sweet dreams.